this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from repeat.gg or cash out on repeat.gg. So here you can see your total amount of money which you can withdraw in the top right corner. And if you want to withdraw it, it's fairly simple. All you got to do is click on this icon right here and then select account settings. So click on it and go to account settings. Once we're here, we can go into the transactions tab right here, and you will see manage funds, your funds. This is the amount of money which you can withdraw, and this is your coins. So we just want to click on withdraw funds, and it's going to ask us for the amount which we want to withdraw. So the least amount of money which we can withdraw is $10, but we can do up to 500. And basically you just choose the amount here and you just tick this option, I understand and want to proceed. If you click on continue, then this is going to withdraw the money. I don't have enough, but that's how you do it. And it's going to take 1 to 2 weeks to get this money in your bank account. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.